In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a reservation on Booking.com without the need for a credit card. This guide will help you navigate Booking.com's site to secure a booking, giving you the confidence to handle your travel plans with ease. So, let's get started and walk through the process together. First, open up your web browser and head over to Booking.com. This website allows you to book accommodations worldwide, and in the past years, it has become one of the most user-friendly platforms for travelers. Once you're on the home page, you'll see a search bar where you can type in your preferred destination. Let's go with Vientiane this time. Just type the city name into the search bar and hit enter. With Vientiane selected, the page will refresh, highlighting accommodations available in that area. Next, we need to select our travel dates. Click on the date field and a calendar will pop up. Here you can choose your check-in and check-out dates, ensuring they match your travel itinerary. For this guide, we will select a short stay from August 29th to August 31st, 2025. After you've chosen the dates, move on to picking the number of guests and rooms. Click on the area that lists the current settings. For instance, 2 adults, 0 children, 1 room. This will open options for you to adjust the number of adults, children, and rooms to suit your needs. Once you finalize your selection, simply click Done to save your changes. You're now ready to search for accommodations. Hit the search button and Booking.com will present you with various options to choose from. Take your time to browse through the list and identify a place that suits both your needs and budget. When you have found the perfect accommodation, click to select it. On the accommodation page, you'll notice a reserve button. Clicking this will bring you a step closer to completing your reservation. If you're part of the Booking.com Genius loyalty program, look for the option to reserve with a Genius discount. It's a great way to save a bit of extra money on your booking. The reservation process will then prompt you to fill in personal details. Type in all necessary information accurately to avoid any complications later on. This might include contact information or special requests specific to your stay. After filling in these details, click Final Details to review everything you've entered. With a thorough check of all your details, it's time to finalize your booking. Hit Complete Booking when you're ready. Congratulations, you've successfully reserved your accommodation without needing a credit card. Make sure to save your booking confirmation and note any next steps needed, such as check-in requirements or accommodation policies. And there you have it. Booking a place without a credit card on Booking.com is that easy. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you confidently manage your future travel accommodations. Safe travels and happy booking!